creating a pitch deck. Thank you everyone for joining us. We're just waiting for a few more participants and for our speaker as well. I have a few important dates to share with you all, which I'll do post a lot of people joining in. So kindly stay on the call. For a few more participants, Pratik, that's okay. We'll just wait for another 2-3 minutes before we begin the session.
Right.
Yeah, thank you so much. So like I was mentioning, your chapter finale is going to be on the 20th of August. The date has been decided. If there is any questions relating to that, I see Himanshi raising her hand. Himanshi, if you would have any question, I'll be happy to take it right now.
Yeah, hi Shreya.
Yeah.
So I wanted to ask कि जो फाइनल सिलेक्शन होगा सेमीफाइनलिस्ट का वो
जी
विदाउट एनी पिच होगा, सिर्फ पिच डेक के बेसिस पे होगा?
पिच डेक होगा बेसिकली जो आपने पिच डेक सबमिट किया हुआ है ऑलरेडी ऑन द स्टार्टअप स्टेरॉइड प्लेटफॉर्म दैट वाज देयर पोस्ट योर 5 लर्निंग सेशंस अगर आपको लगता है दैट देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू लर्नड दैट यू वांट टू चेंज इनटू योर पिच डेक वी आर गिविंग यू दैट चांस टू गो अहेड एंड डू दैट and that is where you will have to submit it by email. Shruti will share the email ID with you and you just have to email your pitch deck by the 22nd of this month.
ओके एंड देयर इफ देयर इज एनी काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मेट ऑफ पीपीटी या फिर कितने पेजेस की होनी चाहिए कोई
Absolutely nothing like that. We will be sharing a few draft formats, but there is no particular format. Online भी आपको बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे in case you've already submitted your pitch decks for what I believe on the Startup Steroid app.
Yeah, I have, but I still want to improve.
Yeah. So right now there is no particular format that we are looking at. Because all formats are welcome right now because everyone has their own way of presenting the entire thing. So there is no particular format that we are looking.
Okay, thank you so much.
So yes, we have a good number of participants here as well. Just give me a second, please. So we have about 16 participants and I don't think we should waste any more time. This is your last learning session, which is a very important one, like we were discussing about pitch decks. So thank you so much, Mr. Pratik Rastogi, for joining us. Who better than you to have our participants to mentor? Because you've been there, done that, you've done the pitching, you've done everything. So for everyone, Mr. Pratik Rastogi is the founder and CEO at Better Nutrition and Green Day. They are making nutritional accessible for all. He is an IIM Ahmedabad and an SRCC pass out. At Green Day, they are reshaping India's food and agriculture landscape by pioneering biofortified nutrition, bringing nutrient-dense staples to every household while creating sustainable livelihoods for farmers. Through Better Nutrition, which is their FMCG brand, they are making high nutrition staples like biofortified atta, rice, and millets, ensuring affordability without compromising quality. They are available across Blinkit, Swiggy, Big Basket, and Zepto, and are fast growing and redefining how India eats. With the backing of Shark Tank India and the support of industry leaders like PV Sidhu and MasterChef Pankaj, they are on a mission to change the way India thinks about food one meal at a time. Thank you so much, Pratik, for joining us. Our participants would be very happy to hear from you.
Thanks, Shreya, for the invitation and for the fantastic introduction as well. All right, I'll start the session, and I hope I can make some impact with all the people that are here.
Absolutely.
Um,
I'm pretty sure you would.
for all the participants, I really hope that I can add some value, and for that, it's important that I can get some sense of what are the current challenges that you're facing, and I can probably try to give you some sense of how I have navigated some of these problems while pitching, how some of these things have moved ahead for us. So let's make it more interactive. Would love to hear from your from you viewpoint, where are you currently stuck? What are you looking at? I'm happy to present my own deck, show you some visuals around how I present, what works for me, and how it has worked for me during the various stages. But I can only authentically, add value to this if you sort of help me understand a bit more as to what your current journey is. So just to start a few things, I would love to get some sense from the participants. Are all of you participating into this pitching competition? Have you all made a deck before? So, or is this probably, are you going to make an attempt at going to make a deck? Have you been pitching? So some information like that would be helpful. And to get it started, Anusha, if you could give me some sense of the audience.
So the audience right now, they've all presented their pitch decks on Startup Steroid. There was a global platform out of which we have streamlined and shortlisted the selected few that are there. They've
Okay.
all put in their pitch decks. They've all put in the entire form that is there. Few of them are early stage. Few of them are pre-revenue. We have two programs, Thai Women and Thai University, which are running. So they are the participants from Thai University also and from Thai Women also. They are new into the entire pitching space. Even if they are not new, it's always great to hear from you. If you could just drive sense by probably sharing a pitch deck, I think the way you would present it, I think they would get a good idea out of it. And post which we'll open it to a Q&A also.
All right, all right, okay. So since you've already made a pitch deck before, I believe that you all already put in some effort into the R&D that goes behind making a deck. As Shreya was saying that a lot of different templates are available. A classic template that is often studied by students of whenever we're making deck is the Airbnb template. So if you've not seen this before, I'm happy to pass on a link of this into the chat as well. I hope I can do that.
That would be great, Pratik. If you could share the same, I'll share it with the participants on the WhatsApp and mail also.
Sure. You could, sorry, not, I think, don't, wait, that would not be
Yes.
the correct link. Let me, can I add a file here? Does it work?
Yes, I think if you could share your screen, that would be great also. There is a presentation that we would like to have.
Sure. If you all can simply Google an Airbnb pitch deck, that's often considered as the gold standard for pitching, not because it is either beautifully designed or it looks great, just because it's for its simplicity. So it's considered as, talking about their problem statement and then talking about it in a very simple manner and still going on to raise millions, probably billions of dollars in due time. Is my screen visible now?
Yes, your screen is visible.
All right, so you can see this deck onto the screen. So if you see this is Airbnb's first deck that had come out. It's a very simple deck. It goes on to talk about it's really great because you see this is not a beautified deck. It's not a designer made deck. It's got but it has a lot of clarity. So puts out the problem statement in a very clear way. Even somebody who is not an investor, is probably a 12th grader, will also be able to understand what Airbnb is doing. And that is the real beauty of a good deck. So, you see, this is the problem statement they have. They define it into three simple lines. And, the problem statement is very well articulated. We all know what Airbnb is. So now if you read through the problem statement, you can probably relate to it very well that how this is exactly the problem that they solved. And this was probably like 15, 20 years back when they made this deck. In three very simple statements, they get the problem out. Similarly, they then, once you've highlighted the problem, right now they're not even highlighting the size of the problem, that how big a problem this is, just telling you what the problem is. Then they give out a solution, which again, if you see, it's put out in a rather ugly way, I would say, but it's very simply laid out. It's got three big icons, so they know what the key takeaway is. Then they move on to something like market validation. So the structure is very simple. You're telling, what the problem is. They're saying that how you are the hero of solving that problem. And then they're moving to something like market validation, saying that, okay, we're not just solving for it, but we're not just providing a theoretical answer, but we move to the stage where we're actually able to solve for it. So they are presenting the market validation, saying that, look, this is the current number of things that. Oh, wait, sorry. So this is market validation. Here they are talking not about their own listings, but they're talking about some other competitors, NYC, Craigslist, Couchsurfing, etc., saying that, okay, there is a market for something like this. They're also talking about how big the market size is. You know, this is all here they're giving big numbers just to show the investor that whatever we are working on, it is very scalable. It has, it's a decent market size that we're working on. So there is scalability in the model. You will make big money, if you both go on to build it together. Similarly, they move on to certain visuals as to how their products look like. Again, it's very simple, just three simple slides. Nothing complex there. They presented a business model in a very big way. When you talk about business model, it's typically it's a revenue or profit model that you have to present over there, which basically means that how are you making money into this business. So that's something that almost all investors want to ask and understand. Again, it's put it on a very simple way, like simple as if we take 10% in every commission. And here is how the 200 millions odd numbers is something, a revenue that they had in the year 2018. How has that been raised? So there's a 10.6 million trips, which meant $20 fees, and that's how they got to 200 million revenue. So very simply, again, put out there. Similarly, if you just look at this entire deck, it's a 10 slider deck which moves on, which has a very simple flow. So they're saying problem, then they're saying, okay, how they are the hero of this. That's how the problem is being solved. Is the market really big enough for an opportunity like this? That scalability. Certain product is something that they've shown. They move to business models, saying that how can they make a revenue or money out of it, and certain showing some traction, which is around the competition. Basically, that there is some traction, and that how has the market been adopting something like this. They move to competition, saying that, okay, this is the challenge that we are facing, and is this entire space, and how are we solving? How do we have something unique within this entire competitive landscape? So just telling you something like that, and quickly moving to that. Even despite the competition, what is their right to win? What are the competitive advantages they have? Which gives them an opportunity to make a dent into the market, gain market share. So very simple, I would say 10 slider kind of a deck. Just do have a look at it. Again, coming back to the point, how Shay was also saying in the beginning that within decks, there is no clear way to give, either a structure or a template to anybody. You need to understand what is the communication which is working for your story, for your startup, and it is something that keeps on evolving all the time. So, just to give you some sense, till today, I must have pitched to at least 500 different investors and 500 different pitches. And broadly, the success ratio is something in the order of 460 to 470, I would say, rejects, even though they would have promised something like that, okay, this is great and good, etc. But there will be 450, 460 rejects, and maybe there will be 40 different successes which have converted and got me money. And so I'm not saying that the 460 people turned it down completely, but for some or the other reason, it did not move to the last round, which is the funding round. So, yep, for an entrepreneur, it's always going to be that journey where you're pitching your idea, and you're being challenged into the market with something, and people will always have an opinion, a point of view against what you're building, but you yourself will be the master of the space you're building because you understand your space best. So rejections and challenges within the fundraising journey is absolutely core and integral, and every entrepreneur who's pitching over a series of time needs to get comfortable with their idea and needs to go ahead with it. I have myself put effort into sort of training myself that look, if I am going to, if I'm going to be fundraising, then I better get, good at taking rejections. So, I mean, Shreya gave me my introduction, right? I went to SRCC and Ahmedabad. These are all top colleges of the country. So when I started fundraising and investors would turn me down, I would often feel very, I would say, heart shattered at that point of time. And how can me and somebody with my pedigree be turned down, right? But then we are all humans, we all learn, we all make mistakes, that's all true. And fundraising, particularly, it's a process where you need to understand that your success rate with a investment is just around nothing more than 3 to 4%. So broadly, 96, 97% of your pitches will be challenging, tough, and will go there, want to go wrong. Often it is your problem, often it is the investor's problem. So you can't put your mind to these things. You simply need to keep on moving to the next investor and figuring out who the investor is that is willing to put, who likes your vision and is ready to put money behind your vision. It's simply like saying that, there is an investor who is actually looking out for you, and you are looking out for that investor, but you're not being able to find each other. But maybe the first 97 people that you meet, they might not be the right fit for you, but it's the next three people who may be the right fit. So you have to navigate through those 100 investors. And during that course, the first 97 people who reject you, they help you in certain things. Okay, that's very important because they will help you refine your pitch and they will help you also refine your deck. So there is no way to build a good deck. Even the deck that I will present to you, which is this was an Airbnb deck. You can have a look at it. I will also present you my deck, which I use every day. I pitched today morning. I am going to pitch today evening. I will pitch tomorrow. I am pitching, I mean, on an everyday basis. Recently, I'm raising around. So I'm using the same deck. But as I said, this deck itself, in the last 5 years of the journey of the startup, has at least evolved 20 to 25 different times. So this is the 25th version of the deck that I am using. The whole story that I am telling to the investor has changed over the years. So it is, and now when I think back at 2000, the year 2000 or 2001, sorry, 2021, from that time, the idea that I had, of course, evolved over time. 2022 is when I started pitching. Whatever I was pitching at that point of time, uh, I'm not pitching the same thing, the same business, but I'm pitching it in a different way. So what has happened is that 97% rejection rate of investors will actually help you understand that भाई हमें क्या बोलना है इन्हें क्या सुनना है. The market at different times will have different things that are working around in the market, and you need to understand what's working for your startup. Okay, and people will give you all kinds of answers, and you need to filter through those and understand that मेरे डेक में इन चीज की कमी है, मुझे ये बिल्ड करने हैं. You have to pick out on the frequently asked questions. So over time, you will realize that my out of the 10 pitches that I made, 6 of them asked me कि इसमें competitors कहाँ हैं. Okay, or they will say something like कि where is the where is the slide on how much you are raising and what is the fund utilization, something like that they will ask you, and you have to make a note of it and say अच्छा ये चीज कमी रह गया है, so I need to build this slide, I need to figure out a space. And because a deck is a finite thing, you can't have a 40 slider deck because then nobody's going to read it. So you need to have broadly, I would say maximum 15 slides deck. It could be even 10 to 12 slides depending on what stage of the journey of a startup you are in. So if you built a lot, you already got traction, etc., then maybe 10, you need to take it to 15 slides. But अभी idea stage पे हो, कुछ नया present कर रहे हो, then about 10, 12 slides should do the job. But again, the point is very clear that you need to keep on pitching into the market, keep on, I mean, and you'll be lucky if the investor is giving you a good feedback. So you have to also always solicit feedback from the investor. Even if the investor is saying no, you as an entrepreneur have to get some win even in that. Okay, so that no, you have to get the win of getting a good feedback, saying that okay, what is missing, what did you not like, etc. So then you try to make a pattern out of it. Ki, you know, these are the missing things in my slide. These seem more important to the investment community. I'm going to include this. And probably all these things that I'm putting there, it's not a needle mover. It's not making much sense for me. You need to weed out certain things from the deck as well. It's a long iterative process. It takes, years, I would say, to get to the right deck or have the right storytelling, right communication. Um, so that effort you need to put in with the investors. Even how do you start with something like this? To start with something like this, you will have to catch hold of certain, I would say, either certain experienced entrepreneurs who have been pitching, who can help you out, or some people who are familiar with the investment space, etc. Some industry experts. आपका जो भी industry है, आपको उनसे आपको बातचीत करके देखना पड़ेगा. Because the Shark Tank, now everybody can be an investor. Everybody has learned to think like an investor. So all of it's always it's always you can always get your deck validated through people. So वो journey आपको करना पड़ेगा in order to get to the right path. I hope that this is making some sense to all of you.
Absolutely, Pratik. Hearing from you, I am also feeling like going to that entire investment journey, going into the whole pitching space, and
Yeah,
probably to reach to the level that you have to raise that kind of funds. Yes, we have a lot of yeses in the chat box also. We would
yeah,
want to make this session a little more interactive as well. If you all have any questions particular to your startup, Pratik will be more than happy to take it. So this is
yeah.
your chance to actually take it. Pratik, there is a question also, but if we could just go through your pitch deck once, how do you present a particular pitch also?
Sure.
That would be great for them to
So
actually see a winning pitch deck.
श्योर, अभी हमारे पिच डेक में बहुत सारे अच्छी अच्छी चीजें जुड़ गए हैं. ठीक है, सो वी आर नाउ
Correct.
एबल टू लाइक माय करंट ऑन द फेस इटसेल्फ. आई हैव वन बिग सेलिब्रिटी सिटिंग ऑन द पिच डेक व्हिच इज पीवी
Right.
सिंधु. I have Shark Tank the logo, funded by Shark Tank logo. It is there. Okay. See, I would say again I mean pitch. I hope you've all heard the word FOMO. FOMO is called fear of missing out. Fear of missing out means that investors पैसा वहां पे लगाते हैं जब उन्हें एक सेंस हो रहा होता है कि देखो ये स्टार्टअप बड़ा हो जाएगा, इसके अंदर में पैसा आ जाएगा, और अगर मेरा पैसा नहीं लगा तो that's going to be a challenge for me. So that FOMO is something that you have to drive, which of course comes with spikes and saying that मेरे CV में या मेरे deck में काफी stellar points हैं जिससे की बढ़ता है. So my deck did not have all of this before, but it's come to a space where I'm able to say funded by Shark Tank India. So as a founder, you have to be really, I would say, what is the word for it? But you have to go all out, be as aggressive as you can, get your metal out. आप जितना अच्छे से अपने स्टार्टअप को स्कैन कर सकते हैं, जितने अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंटर्स आप निकाल सकते हैं टू इम्प्रेस एन इन्वेस्टर, यू हैव टू पुट ऑल ऑफ देम आउट देयर. ओके. हमारा like whatever tagline we have put, it's very simple. We are saying that we are advancing nutrition through agriculture. So it's a simple vision statement. हमने front face पे we put our photos here now because of Shark Tank we have got the visibility. We put PV Sindhu's photo. हमने अपने brand names डाले हैं and we've got Shark Tank logo. Other than this, we simply move on. So I always start with an introduction of that we have two brand names within the same company, Green Day and Better Nutrition. So I have to explain to them that this introductory statement saying that look, Green Day is the agri-tech engine of the company. It is the space where we do farming along with the farmers, and Better Nutrition is the consumer-facing brand. It is the FMCG brand. हम इसके अंदर में products sell करते हैं quick commerce platforms पे. So they both basically create an end-to-end ecosystem. So Green Day से Better Nutrition तक की journey है. So we have to explain them that because I understand that for my investors, it is a need for me to explain both my brands because it has come out of the various hundreds of pitches that I've done. I have to live with two brands. Okay, I mean it would have been great if I had only one brand, but I have to live with two brands and explain to the investor what is the meaning of these two brands. मेरे को हर पिच में पूछा जाता है कि ये ग्रीन डे और बेटर न्यूट्रिशन दो अलग अलग कंपनी है कि सेम कंपनी क्या है. तो अब मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बताना चालू कर दिया कि बॉस ग्रीन डे बेटर न्यूट्रिशन सेम कंपनी, but it's two brands within the same company. One is agritech and one is the consumer side of it. Then we simply move on to this is my problem statement, which I have articulated into one big line saying that okay, nutrition deficiency affects 4 out of 5 Indians, and yet modern farming prioritizes yields over nutritional value. So you have to understand one thing that my deck, जो भी ये मेरा deck है, this deck that you are seeing, ये बेसिकली एक डेक है विच आई सेंड एज एन emailer to organizations or investors to get my conversation started. Okay, and the way I think about the deck is कि पहले उनकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में द एसोसिएट्स, द सीनियर पीपल, द VCs, they will read, they will send it to plethora of people. So I cannot be present everywhere to talk about the deck like how I'm talking to you right now. My deck has to be in a conversational style where I allow it to do the talking itself. So अगर आप टॉप से लेके बॉटम तक पढ़ते हो तो मैंने कंटेंट भी दिया है. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट इज लेस कंटेंट, but it will still look hygienic and like decluttered to you. It's not like कि मैंने दो बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ डाल दिए हैं. But the idea is that if you read, तो everything which is around the gravity of the problem वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आना चाहिए. And even if I'm not there, it is as if I'm speaking to you through my deck. Okay. So whenever the investor is reading it, it is like Prateek is talking to the investor, word by word. So मैं it's all of those points that are, which is brought about, starting from what the problem is, what is the size of the problem. देखिए वर्ल्ड में 2 बिलियन लोगों को माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट डेफिशिएंसी है. इंडिया में 4 out of 5 है, 80% पीपल. और इंडिया की रैंक, लाइक वन क्रेजी स्टैटिस्टिक्स लाइक दिस, इंडिया की रैंक ग्लोबल हंगर इंडेक्स में 111 है 125 देशों में. सो आई ऑल्सो ब्रॉट दिस लाइन ऑन शार्क टैंक इन माई फर्स्ट स्पीच, और मतलब इंट्रोडक्टरी स्पीच में. एंड यहाँ पे भी मैंने रखा बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी इम्पैक्टफुल लाइन. इट teases the people क्या इतना बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है बताओ, 111 people हैं. And then we also challenging us कि a solution called biofortified foods exists, but it is severely underutilized, not well understood. And how has Green Day emerged? Green Day has emerged as one of the innovative, trustworthy players who can lock this potential. So एक slide में मैंने bridge करने का कोशिश किया है, which is from problem statement and coming down to a hint on what Green Day really does. So that's the statement. And then in this slide, we are basically up. It's that you see my deck is very different from it is similar to the Airbnb deck because problem statement है, solution भी आ गया है. But my startup is a supply chain driven startup. So मेरे पास में supply chain का कहानी बहुत है बताने के लिए. So I have to then deviate out of the Airbnb typical model and then say that look, I have to talk about talking the supply chain and talking that how I do this biofortification business. ये कैसे बनता कैसे है, ये इसके सीड्स कैसे आते हैं. दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू माय बिजनेस. एंड आई नो कि ये फर्स्ट 2 स्लाइड्स में like the idea is that 80% of the job to an investor is done in these 2 slides. So these 2 slides are a little bit on a heavier side, and that's where I spend most of the time. Broadly मैं अगर 30 मिनट्स पिच करता हूँ तो होता है कि मैं ये 10 मिनट इस पे लगा देता हूँ कम से कम इस स्लाइड पे, कि वी आर डूइंग दिस एंड टू एंड इकोसिस्टम. हम सीड डेवलपमेंट से स्टार्ट करते हैं, हम फार्मा पार्टनरशिप्स करते हैं, हम प्रोक्योरमेंट कर रहे हैं उन क्रॉप्स का, और हम अर्बन कंज्यूमर्स तक पहुंचा रहे हैं. So give the entire supply chain, to them. And like here we have this slide is something, again, it is a slide ये पहले मेरे deck में नहीं था, but ये over time मेरे deck में आया because lot of investors would ask me कि आप ये इतना innovative काम कर रहे हैं, but इसमें आपका IP कहाँ है? Where is your, मतलब what is the intellectual property do you have? Do you have any patents? और something around it. So ये हमें क्वेश्चन आते थे around 2023-4 में हमें क्वेश्चन आते थे. Then we solved, I mean we got a patent around a particular thing and we wanted to build it here. That so we got a patent अब हमने अभी लगाया. जरूरी नहीं है कि मैं हर बार इस पेटेंट वाली स्लाइड पे बहुत फोकस करूं. it's there for you to read it. Most of the time I would skip this slide and move to like it's a consumer, अगर consumer VC है which invests into D2C brands, FMCG brands, तो मैं थोड़ा सा agri-tech कम बात करता हूँ, and I come to consumer side very quickly. So this is a more pictographic representation of what my products look like and what is the new pipeline of products. So consumer VC को यहाँ पे ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है, वर्सेस एग्रीटेक या सप्लाई चेन वीसी है तो उसको थोड़ा यहाँ पे ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है कि एग्रीटेक में क्या पेटेंट है, मतलब वो सप्लाई चेन कैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग करी है. सो डिपेंडिंग ऑन हु माई ऑडियंस इज, दैट्स अनदर टेक अवे कि विद इन द सेम डेक डिपेंडिंग ऑन हु द ऑडियंस इज आई वुड बी प्रेजेंटिंग different kinds of things. Okay, so that's it. ये दो slides हैं, which is whatever slide uh, this is like R&D partners and how does our R&D piece work, and something around how we what all we do to increase the nutritional value. थोड़ा सा deep dive किया है हमने यहाँ पे. It's slightly been covered before. It's a double clicking onto all of that. We feel that it is important for our startup to talk about all of the supply chain things. मैं मोस्टली इन्वेस्टर पिच में ये दो स्लाइड्स को स्किप करता हूँ, ठीक है. And depending on how much time is there, I would go to something like this kind of a slide. Especially अगर consumer VC है तो उसको थोड़ा सा explain करता हूँ कि how it's like this is like a more of a competition slide, saying that look, market already has something like organic atta, market already has fortified atta, but we have got bio fortified atta. तो organic से हम ऐसे better हैं, fortified से हम ऐसे better हैं. Here also, I would talk about the price and positioning. Okay, biofortified atta, despite being better than organic atta and fortified atta, इसका जो price है, it is more or less similar. It is not 20% premium to the existing category. So I would talk about these things here. This is one slide on farmer impact. This is again, there's not much time spent on it, but if I have emailed a deck, then it would help you get a pictographic representation on हम कैसे farmers के साथ काम करते हैं, and it gives the startup and the entire model a bit of depth, because कि हम ऊपर ऊपर काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, but हम deep down हम किसानों के साथ में linked हैं, वहां तक हमारी पहुंच है, वो काम करते हैं, and we are also giving you proof. So this is me giving proof also in a deck कि हम ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ बोल रहे हैं, हम करते भी हैं. Here is the proof of this. So again, that is important. हाँ, like अभी, so as I have moved from, I would say, and again, another takeaway for all of you is that with the journey of the startup, जब हम seed round में pitch करते थे, which is more idea stage, तो पहले कुछ ऐसा स्लाइड होता था, अपफ्रंट आ जाता था, which would be a team slide. ये थोड़ा जल्दी आता था टीम स्लाइड, बिकॉज टीम पे बहुत भरोसा होता था. लॉट ऑफ stuff, like a lot of fundraiser that I did was on my own passion, my credibility. मतलब लोगों ने मुझे बोला है कि भाई मैं तुम्हारे पैशन को देखते हुए, जो तुम्हारे अंदर फायर है, मैं उसको देखते हुए तुम्हें पैसा दे रहा हूँ. नथिंग एल्स मैटर्स टू मी. एंड मैंने 1.5-2 करोड़ रुपए रेस किए हैं जस्ट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पैशन. And I would always, I mean, present this early, because when you're speaking early, जब आपका journey start होता है, it's a lot about who the founders are, who the team is. और कुछ बिजनेस के ऊपर में होता नहीं है ना, तो हम सब पहले फाउंडर पे ही पैसा लगाते हैं, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा होता है तो आइडिया आपका कैसा है उस पर लगाते हैं. तो फाउंडर इज एटलीस्ट 60%, क्योंकि सबको पता होता है कि फाउंडर कुछ ना कुछ तो आइडिया पिवट करेगा ही बाद में, और ऐसा नहीं रहेगा. तो फाउंडर 60%. 40% इट इज आइडियाज हैं कि आप ब्रॉडली आप जिसकी बात कर रहे हो, इट्स नॉट नॉनसेंसिकल, इट्स नॉट लाइक ये तो इम्पॉसिबल है बनाना, बट हाँ, व्हाट इट्स सेइंग इज मेकिंग सेंस एंड इट विल गेट रिफाइंड ओवर टाइम. Now that I'm doing like a round, my round has now reached to like a pre-series A round, ठीक है. तो अब मैं 2-3 करोड़ टाइप का रेज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं 20 करोड़ टाइप का रेज मैं कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है. आई ऑलरेडी डन सम अराउंड 20 करोड़ ऑलरेडी. अब मैं अगले 20 करोड़ की लड़ाई कर रहा हूँ. इन दिस 20 करोड़ इट्स अ लॉट अबाउट कि इट्स अबाउट कि क्या नंबर्स हैं, कैसा ट्रैक्शन चल रहा है, और आपका कम्युनिकेशन कैसे. तो राइट नाउ फॉर मी इज कि मैंने जो ब्रांड लॉन्च किया है उसका प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट कैसा है. तो आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स कि देखो, हम जैसे हम यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं कि हम जैसे जब हमने शार्क टैंक लॉन्च किया था, तब हमारा सिर्फ 7.5 लाख रुपए का सेल था मंथली, अब हम 75 लाख का सेल कर रहे हैं, तो वी हैव ग्रोन 10x। तो दैट काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रैक्शन इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू एक्सप्लेन। समवेयर लाइक वी हैव गिवन दिस, हमने अपना ये दिया है, ये देखो ब्लिंकिट का, जैसे हमने ये रेटिंग दिया हुआ है कि वी गॉट 4.6 रेटिंग ऑन ब्लिंकिट, नहीं, ऑन ऑन समथिंग एल्स। हियर वी हैव गॉट लाइक 4.9 रेटिंग ऑन ऑन ब्लिंकिट। तो ये हम रेटिंग्स वगैरह बता दिए, कंज्यूमर से रेटिंग्स हमारे प्रोडक्ट के बहुत अच्छे हैं। सो यप, आई मीन, एंड नंबर, सो आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट सम ऑफ दीज थिंग्स as well. So this slide is where I'm spending a lot of time at the moment, कि अभी 6 महीने में कितना ग्रो कर गया हूँ, मेरे नए प्रोडक्ट लाइन क्या आने वाले हैं, मैं नंबर्स, इट्स ऑल अबाउट नंबर्स राइट नाउ, कि यार ठीक है तुम ये कहानी तो बहुत बता दिया, और नंबर्स की बात करो। फॉर मी इट हैज चेंज्ड, बट मे बी फॉर समबडी एल्स, मे बी फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर डूइंग मे बी लाइक सीड राउंड या प्री सीड राउंड कर रहे हो, इट्स मोर अराउंड द स्टोरी एंड लेस ऑन द नंबर्स, क्योंकि होता है कि पास में वो नंबर्स है नहीं बताने के लिए, राइट? Then there's a little bit around projections and figures. Here I'm talking about market size and biofortification का potential. हम कितना बड़ा market बना लेंगे. So it's always showing कि देखो what's the vision. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं ये 10-20 करोड़ का ब्रांड बनने जा रहा हूँ. मेरा vision है to get to some 300 crore odd sales by this much, and eventually to 1000 crore sales in the next 6 years of the journey. I would be presenting something like this as well, right? Uh, I've got like, of course, I would, मेरा ये PV Sindhu से related slide है, which is like PV Sindhu is my brand ambassador investor. So, I would put everything in newspaper media articles में जितना coverage मिला है वो डाल दिया. Similarly, MasterChef Pankaj Badoria is my brand ambassador investor, उस पर डाल दिया. Shark Tank का तो as much as juice you can get out of Shark Tank, you have to put. Shark Tank starting में भी था, यहाँ पे भी था, फिर से डाल दिया. Like, so team slide, of course, everybody wants to know a team slide, and it's important that you spend at least 2 minutes, even if it's a 20-minute pitch, you give like at least 2 minutes onto the team slide. It depends, as I said, आप starting में कर सकते हो, if you have points there, और आप end में कर सकते हो, ठीक है? There is one slide on what the government support is. कि what does the government think about biofortification? We are not doing it alone. In सब में government का बहुत important support है. So giving some viewpoints around that. हमें awards and recognitions over time क्या क्या मिले हैं, हमने इंडिया को G20 कॉन्फ्रेंस पे मैंने वो रिप्रेजेंट किया था. So I've put some things like this. Okay. Still, I would say this doesn't do the justice to the entire thing. मैं आपको फिर भी दिखाता हूँ कि अदर देन दिस आई ऑफन हैव टू सी मैं सो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट दैट along with the, can you all see my screen?
Yes, we can.
Okay, okay. I'm saying that
Yes.
along with my email, along with the deck, ये deck मैंने attach करके यहाँ पे भेजा हुआ है अपना. But I'm always putting out something in my mail also. So mail also, my initial mail, अगर आप deck तक नहीं पहुंचते हो, my mail itself is like a pitch, कि मैं क्या build कर रहा हूँ, summary of everything. मतलब एक business model का summary है, what are my current spikes, customer ratings बहुत अच्छे हैं, मेरे इन्वेस्टर्स अभी तक कौन कौन है उनका दिया है, बिकॉज आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस यू इन दिस एन एलिवेटर पिच. ये ब्रॉडली से कि ये 1.5 मिनट का पिच है टू रीड दिस. तो आई एम पुटिंग गिविंग समथिंग लाइक दिस ओवर हियर ऑल्सो. सर्टन लिंक्स आर गिवन, जैसे मैंने शार्क टैंक का अपना वीडियो दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. नीचे सिग्नेचर तक में आप देखोगे कि मेरे इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स और ये प्रोडक्ट वीडियो. तो एवरी स्पेस रियल एस्टेट दैट इज आई एम ट्राइंग टू यूटिलाइज इट. ये एलिवेटर पिच है, मेरी हेडिंग ये है, इसमें से पढ़ना है पढ़ लो, यहाँ पे ही पीवी सिंधु शार्क टैंक का नाम आ गया है. ये एलिवेटर पिच है, इसको पढ़ लो. नहीं पूरा डिटेल में करना है तो ऐसे कर लो. इवन अदर देन ऑल ऑफ दिस, आई ऑल्सो हैव ए, जस्ट अ सेकेंड, ओके. हाँ, one good idea also that is very integral and important, जो आप ये 8-10 slider deck बनाते हो, other than this you should also have a something like this. हाँ, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
You can see the screen, right? So this is a one pager. मैंने आपको जितना कहानी बताया, मेरे 10 पेज में ये उसका वन पेजर समरी है, ओके। तो मैंने सेम टैगलाइन, सेम फोटो, सेम पीवी सिंधु का फोटो, आई गॉट प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट, वन लाइनर, सोल्यूशन वन लाइनर, वो सीड टू टेबल न्यूट्रिशन पे उस वहां पे 2-3 स्लाइड्स हैं, वेरी डीप डाइव्ड। आपको पूरा कहानी समझना है, सब समझ लो वहां से। यहाँ पे इसका एक छोटा सा मतलब 4 बॉक्स में वो डाल दिया है, ठीक है। मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी क्या है, टीम क्या है, मेरे की इन्वेस्टर्स नीचे क्या है, प्लेटफॉर्म प्रेजेंस क्या है, फंड रेज डिटेल्स कितनी है, मैं क्या रेज कर रहा हूँ, उसका फंड यूटिलाइजेशन क्या है, टेलविंड्स एंड इम्पैक्ट क्या है, मतलब बेसिकली से मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक लेवल कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस करता है, अभी फाइनेंशियल एंड प्रोजेक्शंस क्या है, और की हाइलाइट्स क्या है। तो मतलब दिस इज अ ग्रेट टूल, ऑलवेज डेवलप अ वन पेजर वेन एवर यू आर मास मास मतलब मास आप भेज रहे हैं लोगों को, हैव टू सेंड इट टू द हंड्रेड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स, आपको भेजना है, इधर फ्लोट करना है, इट्स बेटर टू गिव देम दिस वन पेज काइंड ऑफ अ समरी। इस वन पेज में सब कुछ है that is there for you to develop an initial interest into my organization. If you like this, then please hold a call with me. I will explain you the deck and I will give you all of those things in detail. But broadly saying that आपका जो भी पिच है वो सब कुछ इस एक वन पेजर के अंदर में बहुत अच्छे से आ सकता है. So this is yet another way of presenting it.
Great. But I didn't know that there are so many ways to actually go ahead and present your pitch deck. Like there was a question to the start that if there is a template, like Pratik rightly said, he's used so many templates within his entire startup space also. So there is no one template that is going to work. You all will have to keep refining your pitch deck, and that is why we are giving you that chance to actually go ahead and do that. So we're ready to take in some question and answers, Pratik?
Yeah, sure.
Sure. We have a hand raised from Manisha Singh. If you could go ahead and just ask a question.
Hi, this is
Yes, sir.
Manisha. Thank you so much for a nice session. Actually, an eye opener too. Like what to keep, what not to keep. But yes, this question is for you. We are a bootstrap model. Gladly that you addressed about the pitch deck, which was made by Airbnb. So we almost like a similar concept. As I said, the hospitality part is something that we are taking care of. Um, my point is that we've been into the business from the last 2-3 years, in fact, 3 years precisely. And right now we are into scaling mode. Do you suggest we should keep the projected figures in line while explaining it to the investors or maybe keeping it to a pitch deck? However, the point that I would want to raise is that we are still a bootstrap model and whatever revenue or a profit we may call, we have reinvested to increase our units from starting with one property to now making it 5 properties there. So when it comes to number, it's like really tough for us right now to explain or maybe like putting into some kind of figure because supposingly giving example that initial property we invested somewhere close to 20-25 lakhs and then we got break even and then profitable then that profit reinvested to the second property and the same cycle we followed till 5. So what do you suggest, should we still keep a projection that this is how we are planning to scale or should we
See,
skip that part as of now?
no, see, very simple, I would say, Manisha. See, whenever you're submitting your pitch to an investor, right? What is the second follow-up that comes from them? वो अगला सवाल उनका यही आएगा कि आप मुझे अपना डिटेल्ड बिजनेस मॉडल, डिटेल्ड MIS, डिटेल्ड प्रोजेक्शंस आप मुझे सब दो. तो दैट मीन्स कि दिस इज ओनली अ डेक. You need to have an entire Excel ready with you, along with you, and it has to be made by someone like with a financial expert, as you have to make everything like that. when you are doing when you're doing this, pitching to me, when your slide on projections is there, it's your 30 seconds to convince me in 3 or 4 bullet points that, your business is financially very sexy. Okay. So you have to tell me 5 points saying that, hey, look, मैंने bootstrap maybe 5 times ये किया है. That's point seller number one that I could hear of. ठीक है. Then you say that, something like मैंने इतना पैसा लगा के इतना बिजनेस बनाया है, मैं ROI is great. मेरे 5 यूनिट्स में से मेरे 3 यूनिट्स प्रॉफिटेबल हैं. ग्रेट. मुझे आपके पिच में, मतलब ये 4 या 5 विनिंग पॉइंट्स आप सोच लो कि आपके टॉप 5 विनिंग पॉइंट्स क्या हैं. एंड आई शुड लाइक क्रेजी पॉइंट्स, आई वुड से. ठीक है ना. तो योर थिंग दैट हैज टू बी प्रेजेंट ओवर देयर. On present and projections में, you can always, like, fifth point could be the projections point that, currently if you're raising money, that's why you're pitching. So currently I'm raising this, whatever, 2 crore rupees. And with this, I will be able to get to projection 20 crores revenue by the end of financial year. So everything has to sound very great to me for the investor to hold your interest and come back to you and say that, hey, I want to know more about this. That no more comes from a financial model. आपका MIS, it needs to be bang on correct. MIS आपका सही बना होना चाहिए. इस MIS से लिंक्ड एक और टैब होना चाहिए, उसमें प्रोजेक्शंस की शीट होती है. मैं आपसे वहां पे 10 क्वेश्चन और पूछने वाला हूँ. So save something for there. I hope that answers.
All right.
Great. Pratik,
One
it's
more
such a-
thing.
Yeah.
Sorry. One more thing. Pratik, I just wanted to understand one more thing, like, that we have joined a few clubs or maybe like incubators that we are in touch with, but still, is
Yeah.
there a way that you reach out to VCs or maybe like some investors who probably you can go and pitch in your data? I mean, like you rightly said that you pitch your product today morning, today evening, and probably have a meeting tomorrow also. So I'm sure, like, you have a good data around. So how are you curating those investors' data? Is there a way?
So I mean, yeah, there's no clear-cut answer to this. It's a mix of various other things. Okay. Depending on how much your team is, आपके पास कितना पैसा है, कितने लोग हैं, there's so many ways to do this, right? Like the simplest things are, हमने जब जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था, we went through, of course, we went to incubators and everything, and then, they started helping us. Incubators would help us reach out to more investors. One of the team members in the team was dedicatedly doing LinkedIn outreach and LinkedIn पे presence
Hmm.
बनाना, LinkedIn पे investors को outreach करना. So it would
Hmm.
happen. And it not like he वो सब बहुत materialize कर रहा था. So he would keep on doing it, but at least deck refinement हो रहा था. Interests आ रहे थे. तो okay, maybe it did not work out for us. That doesn't mean it won't work out for you. Maybe your business is great and somebody is wanting to invest into it. But वो सब आपको navigate करना पड़ेगा. And then in today's times, of course, there are all kinds of investor mixers and events that are happening. If you have the bandwidth and the time and the money, then you could go and attend various, Delhi, यहाँ लखनऊ में तो नहीं होता है, but of course, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Delhi, they've got numerous events like this. अभी Indian government का this startup founder meet had happened, which is, I'm forgetting the name. This happens in Delhi. So there are
Mahakumbh. That's a
Sorry,
startup
yeah,
Mahakumbh,
Startup
right?
Mahakumbh, yeah, Startup Mahakumbh, right?
Startup Mahakumbh, yeah.
So all of these events are there all the time, and every year that will be there. Shark Tank, etc., is of course one lucky thing. Of course, I mean, I can get there, but there are multiple events like that where you can meet. And if you can't do any of this, the simplest thing I can tell you, figure out one person who is, for 20,000 rupees, who can simply do cold calling for you onto LinkedIn. आप accelerators हैं, और there are certain people who do this as a professional business, जो आपसे कुछ पैसा लेंगे या आपसे कुछ सक्सेस फी साइन अप करेंगे कि मैं पैसा रेज करवाऊंगा, उसका 3% 4% मुझे कट चाहिए. You sign up with these kinds of people and then you ask them to work on behalf of you and they encourage you. But again, I'm saying that it doesn't mean that just pitching doesn't mean that paisa aa jata hai usse. That's a
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank
So, Pratik,
thank
there
you.
are a lot
Thank
of
you.
questions also. We'll just take up two more questions if that's okay with you.
Sure, please go ahead.
We have Elixir Private Limited. If you
Yeah.
could just unmute yourself.
Yes, hi.
Hi, this is I'm Dr. Meenakshi Karwal, and I'm working as a director and founder at Elixir Private Limited. So, sir, through a patented technology, we have developed an organic manure that is 100% pure and eco-friendly, and it is enhancing the yield by 30 to 40% for the vegetable crop. And for the various wheat crop, etc., we have seen that the seed size got enhanced. Right, and for the dragon fruit, it goes the weight got enhanced by 185 gram. So this manure is also prohibiting or limiting the impact of the termites, nematodes, and weed. So it is having a great impact on the agricultural soil as well as for the health of the crops. It is enhancing the growth, making it more greener. Right, we
Okay,
are seeing
I
that
understand
result.
the space, Dr. Minashi. आप क्वेश्चन आप पूछिए. I understand
सर
the space.
हाँ,
Yeah.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है सर कि हम ना इज देयर एनी सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर वी कैन मीट और कनेक्ट टू द ऑर्गेनिक फार्मर्स who are very enthusiastic to work in the field of organic farming or natural farming.
There are आप agriculture is one space जिसमें तो बहुत easy है, I would suggest. ठीक है.
जी जी
There are hundreds of options and ways to do it. अगर आप गवर्नमेंट ऑफ यूपी से बात कर लेते हैं, all FPO list is available. You can go to something like farmer.gov.in, जो farmers का website है. You can get all farmers database from there. One big takeaway that I have for almost all the people that are present into the company, अगर आपको किसी भी गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट से कोई भी डेटा पॉइंट चाहिए, ओके, all you have to do is you have to go to RTI portal, pay 200 rupees, file an RTI, and government will give you all the data. If you want all farmers data or FPO data, whatever data you want with phone number, email ID, सब मिलता है. 200 रुपए का फीस लगता है. It's a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage, the how much ever you can. I think for farmers, you have something like small farmers consortium. What is it? SFC. SFC पे आप जा सकते हो. उनसे SFC पे आप RTI फाइल कर दो SFC को, वो आपको दे देंगे. ऑर्गेनिक सर्टिफिकेशन इज डन बाय अपेडा. अपेडा पे चले जाओ, वहां से मिल जाएगा. एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्ट्री को दे दो. देयर आर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ वेज. यूपी गवर्नमेंट को RTI फाइल कर दो. फिगर आउट हु द ऑर्गेनिक का सर्टिफिकेशन डिपार्टमेंट होता है. So you can file an RTI to them. They can give you some database. There are hundreds of ways to get this, but it's publicly available है. farmer.gov.in पे वहां से आपको मिल जाएगा.
Oh wow, great sir, thank you so much. Thank you
Thank you so
guys.
much. We'll take in the last questions. That's Niharika Talwar Enterprises.
Hi Pratik from Jhansi this side. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका जर्नी का सुन के. I actually watched your episode on Shark Tank as well, so very nice to meet you finally. I have a body care brand by the name of Marceline. Around 1 साल हो गया digital marketing करते हुए. We are on Amazon, just got onboarded on Blinkit. Full focus है अपनी D2C website को scale करने का. MRR वही है roughly the initial lakhs. Bootstrapped है. I've pitched to some I think 9 VCs last ईयर नवंबर दिसंबर के अराउंड, और सब जगह से सेम ही फीडबैक आ रहा था, वेरी प्रॉमिसिंग बट टू अर्ली. अभी भी वही ट्रैक्शन चल रहा है, क्योंकि आपको भी पता है इन अ फील्ड लाइक ब्यूटी यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ कैपिटल इंजेक्शन फॉर मार्केटिंग. आवर ओनली प्लस पॉइंट इज दैट आवर रिपीट इज वेरी गुड, बट वी डोंट हैव पैटर्न्स. वी एवरीथिंग इज डर्मेटोलॉजिकली टेस्टेड, सो वी हैव ऑल दो सेफ्टी सर्टिफिकेशन, बट पैटर्न्स या आप कहो कि ऐसा स्ट्रॉन्ग मोट जिसमें कि कोई पैसा लगाए तो उसका सेफ रहे या ग्रो हो, वो मैं प्रूव नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. डिस्पाइट द नंबर्स एट दिस स्केल शोइंग promise कि मेरा भी motivation है to really grow it, and this is my life's purpose. So I mean, I don't have a direct question as such, but how should I change my approach? Like मैं अपनी
No, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I'll tell you. So, Niharika, see, I think आपके stage पे ना VCs will not make sense for you. Okay, VCs आप जाओगे, they will turn you and drop you around. और टाइम वो हमारे सेंस पे भी आके बहुत मुश्किल से सेंस बनाते हैं. VCs at this point of time. I would suggest कि instead of going to VCs, you first go to all angel investors, angel aggregators, etc. Now, that's a whole, that's a whole space. So you can अगर you need to figure out some good corporate lawyers etc. who can handhold you get this round done. आप 1-1 लाख रुपए से भी इन्वेस्टमेंट ले सकते हो, ठीक है ना। आप अगर 1-1 लाख करके आप लेते हो, अगर 20-25 लोगों से इन्वेस्टमेंट लेते हो, क्या 25 लाख रुपए आएगा। यू कैन कीप द मिनिमम टिकट साइज एज 2 lakhs, and you can get 20 people's investment and raise a seed around of 40-45 lakh rupees. Use it in a very calculated way to raise investments. So it's usually called friends and family kind of a round, which means that certain small angels can come in. पहला लेग थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होगा, बट जैसे जैसे आप मार्केट में बोलोगे कि मैं 50 लाख का राउंड रेस कर रही हूँ, उसमें से 30 लाख का फिल हो गया है, तो बाकी के 20 लाख आपको आना थोड़ा इजी पड़ जाएगा। देन यू कैन गेट टू, एज आई सेड कि मार्केट में काफी सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो ये एंजल इन्वेस्टमेंट्स दिलवाने का बिजनेस करते हैं, 3-4% अपना कट लेते हैं। यू नीड टू फिगर आउट दोज पीपल। ऐसे आपको लिंक्डइन पे ढूंढने पे बहुत सारे लोग मिल जाएंगे। सो यू नीड टू गो विद देम। ट्राई कि आपको कोई इनिशियली आपको पैसा नहीं देना पड़ रहा है उनको, बट ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज सक्सेस फी, कि मैं आप पैसा रेस कराओ, मैं 3.5% दूंगी। आप बोलो मैं 5-6% दे दूंगी, मैं 10% देने को तैयार हूँ, बट पैसा रेस करा के दूंगी। मैं पहले 50,000 रुपये नहीं खर्चा करूंगी अपना। सो यू
Right.
ट्राई दैट, एंड देन you try to get to certain larger fishes who do this angel aggregation. So there is like, Chennai angels, Hyderabad angels, Mumbai
Sauce,
angels,
VC, all these, people who
all
say
these.
हम
This
वो
is
दिन से कि हम 2 लाख MRR वाले ब्रांड्स को ही कर रहे हैं, बट देन दे डोंट टेक इट फॉरवर्ड, तो वहीं कंफ्यूजन आ
तो
जाता है।
वही है कि मतलब इफ यू आर टू अर्ली फॉर देम, देन इनके भी नीचे के VCs है। समटाइम्स यू मे नॉट have the visibility of this, but there are VCs, even there are like angel aggregators even below them. If not them, you have to go to these people who are individuals who are doing this business. ठीक है,
ओके।
तो वो मिलेगा। तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको उन सबसे ट्राई करना पड़ेगा। यू नीड टू गेट योर फर्स्ट 30-40 lakhs in, somehow, and but it has to be like properly on the cap table, everything like structured way, proper होना चाहिए, clean business there. Then you can get start that loop again. तो उस 40 लाख से आप पहुंचोगे आगे आप।
One small question. What is your opinion on a CCD from like a government organization? Because I just got approved for one, but my decision नहीं ले पा रही हूँ.
You
Like
mean compulsory
like a
convertible?
compulsory convertible debenture from the government.
From the government मतलब?
जैसे स्टार्टअप इंडिया सीड फंड के थ्रू मैंने अप्लाई किया था फॉर 30 lakhs,
हाँ
got approved, but
हाँ।
it is a compulsory convertible debenture, not an optional one. So,
CCD तो आप इशू करोगे उनको। इट्स योर
right,
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट विल इशू द CCD टू यू।
correct.
CCD इज सिंपली सेइंग कि मैं अभी आपको डायरेक्टली इक्विटी शेयर्स नहीं अलॉट कर रहा हूँ, मैं आपको पहले CCD दे रहा हूँ, ये 1 साल की एक्सपायरी के बाद इक्विटी में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे।
Right.
फॉर यू एज एन इन्वेस्टर, फॉर एज अ स्टार्टअप, इट मेक्स नो डिफरेंस। ये सब पेपर वर्क है, ठीक है। आपका एजेंडा एकदम क्लियर होना चाहिए कि एज फार एज समबडी एंड समबडी नीड्स टू गिव यू लीगल ओपिनियन ऑन दिस। योर whoever is your corporate lawyer, they need to structure it for you that you're not being bullied into the terms. तो उसको बोलो कि बॉस पेपर वर्क ये तुम हैंडल करो, मुझे पैसा चाहिए, मुझे धंधे में पैसा लगाना है, आई वांट टू मूव अहेड फ्रॉम दैट। सो योर ऑब्जेक्टिव हैज टू बी गेटिंग द मनी, डोंट थिंक अबाउट at this
ठीक
stage
है.
you can't think about CCD. It's all the same. CCD is
Okay.
much better than equity. मतलब it's all the same basically. Yeah.
Okay, understood. Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you so much. We've overshot our time. We have for your questions also, Pratik, if you could take out just one more question. There is someone who's just raised their hand, if it's okay with you.
May I ask question? Because I'm struggling to figure out how to pitch my product to complement the features which attract the different types of audiences. Okay. In case any further. Okay. I think I can see only one question.
Yes, that's one question. Yes, that's
I
one.
think अब complicated product वाला चीज है, तो बस like you have to do, I don't know, you have to do, you see, like whenever giving a pitch deck etc, right, there is so much opportunity of sharing a mail, there's links etc। तो मैंने आपको अपना दिखाया था। तो मैं मतलब मैं 3 साल से बायोफोर्टिफिकेशन समझा था लोग को समझ में नहीं आता था। देन बिकॉज आई केम ऑन शार्क टैंक, एवरीबडी started understanding. So clearly, nicely done videos, video explainers, etc. work much better as compared to like a pitch deck which is written. वो आपको समझ में आ रहा है, दूसरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है। So you should always make it a point that along with the pitch, you should record your own video pitch. And with a deck, you should always record your video pitch and make and send your video pitch. अगर आपका ये complex the product has to be complex, the pitch doesn't have to be complex. Okay, so simple सा तरीका है, you ask somebody who's like a 12th grader, class 12th के बच्चे को बैठाओ और उससे पूछो कि मैं आपको पिच करो अपना आइडिया, एंड उसको पूछो कि ये जो भी मैंने आपको पिच किया है, आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस सिंपली एंड इजी एंड कैन यू समराइज दिस बैक टू मी? अगर वैसा कुछ हो रहा है तो गेट अ वीडियो रिकॉर्डेड ऑफ दैट एंड सेंड इट टू द इन्वेस्टर. इन्वेस्टर के लिए टू मेक द जॉब वेरी वेरी इजी एंड सिंपल.
Great. That answers quite a bit of the question.
Sorry to bother you this time. I'm Dr. Ruby Singh. Can I ask one question? Like, is
We've
there any...
overshot our time, Ruby.
Okay.
We'll just have to, if you could just put in your question on a direct message to me, I'll probably shoot it to Prateek as well. Prateek,
Okay.
that works for you?
No. Okay, fine. Not a problem. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Prateek. I know there is a flurry of questions from everyone because the session was so good, so informative. I think for everyone, the biggest takeaway is that you really need to be passionate about what you're doing. There is the journey of pitching, the journey of getting through is endless, and that is something that I'm sure everyone has learned from you. The kind of passion that you talk about for your product with, that is something that is going to take you to the next level. These are all tools to actually get you there.
That's very true.
Yes.
As I said, I've had investors tell me this, that boss, my passion बहुत अच्छा है, मैं इसके लिए पैसा दे रहा हूँ. So that's the biggest takeaway, right? So
Absolutely. So thank you so much for the same. Thank you for taking out this time.
Right.
I will take Dr. Ruby's question. I'll probably shoot it to you offline.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining us. Pitch deck submission on the 22nd. We will be shooting you an email and a WhatsApp message on the same.
All the best to everybody, and I hope it turns out to be well for all of you. Right?
Yes.
Keep playing. Yes, keep fighting. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Right. Yeah.
Ruby will take in your question and I'll shoot it to Prateek as well. Thank you so much.